joining us. We are here at the VIP Summit for Los Cabos.
Clearly, this is a very important event because, we have here some of our major commercial partners from the U.S., Canada, and beyond. As you know, we are very active in engaging with these commercial partners to market Mexico as a whole and the different individual destinations. And of course, Los Cabos is a very special destination. Los Cabos, as you know, has been in the front of our efforts to upscale Mexico as a destination. And Los Cabos it has regained its positioning as one of the leading resort destinations in the world.
Los Cabos. Live it to believe it.
This is a great event. As far as Los Cabos goes, they're always there to whenever there's a project or anything that goes on, they really want to work with you. We're really happy with that. They're just absolutely fantastic partners. They get things done quick. They're progressive. They're really good. So we're really happy to be here and to be at this event.
First of all, I'm very happy to be here in Cabos. I think for me, as the director of the Tourism Board of Mexico for Western Canada, it's very important to be here because Los Cabos is one of the markets that has grown the most.
Allegiant Airlines, we are operating out of Las Vegas, and we have announced that we will be planning travel to Cabo in July of next year. We're very excited about it. We have a low-cost model, so we believe that we have an advantage over other carriers in terms of our cost structure, so we should be offering a very low fare to domestic U.S. travelers to Cabo. Beautiful here, beautiful.
Yeah, it's an amazing destination. We love it here. It's great.